Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones HAMA Freedom Athletics to your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth, now click on Pair New Device, and then press and hold multifunctional button in the middle, right here, for at least 3 seconds, until you hear a LED light here. Here we go. And now click on your headphones. Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!